Demaco is nowadays the preferred partner to design, manufacture and install cryogenic infrastructures worldwide. 60 years have passed since the foundation of Demaco by Theo Decker, and Demaco's cryogenic footprint is undeniable. Do you know why the 1980s is such an important decade for Demaco? In 1985, Demaco's reputation for high-quality products and pioneering engineering spirit brought a peculiar project to its door. A piece of equipment able to transport liquefied gases at very low temperatures. A vacuum-insulated transfer line. Theo's son, Ronald Decker, came to join forces with his father to lead the niche cryogenic business unit.
Ik ben begonnen bij Demaco officieel 1 januari 1987. Eind 1986 belde mijn vader en die had iets opgestart in cryotechniek. En de cryotechniek was voor mij ook nieuw. Ik had weliswaar werktuigbouw gedaan, maar ik was niet bekend met het fenomeen cryotechnologie. Ik had wel zoiets van de technologie vind ik erg leuk en ik ga gewoon starten. En we zien wel waar het schip strandt. Ja, ik zeg gekscherend nog wel eens tegen klanten als ze vragen van hoe lang ik bij het bedrijf werk. Dan zeg ik 58 jaar, want ik ben er feitelijk geboren. Dus de wieg stond naast de fabriekshal.
Step by step, the company shifted from special machinery to cryogenic and vacuum technology. They moved from conveyor machines to cryogenics and vacuum components. Vacuum technology linked together with cryogenics to become an inseparable partner in 1989. Demaco's first vacuum projects were a cryo shroud and an ultra-high vacuum UHV chamber for the University of Leiden in the Netherlands. Vacuum-insulated pipelines started to become the standard technology for the food, medical and pharmaceutical industries in the 1980s. What we now take for granted was in fact a big surprise back then. The competing technologies were unable to offer the small footprint, low energy loss and high efficiency that vacuum-insulated transfer lines can offer. Here we have one of the first designs of a subcooler and phase separator, developed in 1993. A popular piece of equipment for clients who require a system with 100% liquid. Demaco developed its own level sensors, pressure regulators and Johnston couplings right back in the early days. One unforgettable project is the Molecular Beam Epitaxy, MBE, in the Department of Experimental Physics at Würzburg University. Demaco delivered a turnkey package, from the engineering to the installation and testing of phase separators and transfer lines. One of the first employees working on this type of technology was Henk van Woert, who has been part of the Demaco family for 31 years.
Ik werk nu 31 jaar voor Demaco en ik ben begonnen bij de cryo en altijd daar gebleven. Vooral omdat het heel interessant is. Steeds dingen vernieuwen, steeds interessantere instrumenten maken voor de cryotechniek.
As the years passed by, Demaco's cryogenic know-how developed fully. The work ethic at the company caught the eye of well-known gas suppliers who saw the potential in Demaco to excel in areas never explored before. The result would be what is today one of the main products in Demaco's portfolio, multiple helium transfer lines.
Een van de eerste grote cryogene projecten voor Demaco was DAISY, een meervoudige transferleiding. Daarvoor maakten we dus vooral de DN25 standaardleidingen, dus dit was echt wel een uitdaging. En het mooie bij Demaco is dat we dat soort uitdagingen aangaan en dat heeft ons gebracht waar we nu zijn.
The work completed at DAISY gave Demaco the opportunity to work on prestigious projects at CERN, such as the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, ATLAS and CMS in the early 90s. For this project, Demaco engineered, manufactured and installed the cryogenic equipment at CERN. Two things made this vacuum-insulated transfer lines project engagingly challenging, not only for the engineering department, but also for the installation team. Meters and meters of tunnel transfer lines were designed without bellows or compensators. It required a cryogenious approach to use only the flexibility of the process pipes for thermal contraction. Installation was also not easy. The lines were installed in a 200-meter deep shaft with limited space and had to adhere to high safety standards. This equipment has been up and running at CERN for more than 25 years already. And after 60 years, what is Demaco's secret of success?
In die 60 jaar zijn we dus stap voor stap van de agra-business naar de machinebouw, naar de cryotechniek toegegaan. Je hebt gezien dat in die periode dat we alle ups en downs konden overleven door onszelf aan te passen aan de markten en aan de behoeften van de klanten op dat moment.